What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. I have a new video for you guys and it's gonna be epic. I'm gonna change these ugly ass taillights to something nice and spanky. Today I found the perfect one for the insane price, so stay tuned and enjoy the video. Alright guys, I know she's a bit dirty, but I just came back from a ride, so don't blame me. So let's get up in here. Obviously, if you have a ZX6R, you pretty much know how to do this stuff to remove the seats. That's no problem there. Alright, bring you guys in so you can have a closer look of what's going on here. You just need to get in here, and there's a bunch of cuts, and you're looking for the gray one and for the black one. Gray and black for the blinkers. So in order to unplug it, you just need to slide this down, and down over here it's suppressing, so you slide it in and you press this and it comes out like that. For the one down below, the black one, you do the same thing. That's the tab you need to push in over there, and that's it. It unclips just like that and you're ready to go. Alright, so you're probably wondering what taillights did I get for my motorcycle, and this is it. Very simple packaging, there's nothing really to look at on the outside, but when you open it up, the lights come packaged like this, and this is one. So it is smoked, and these are all LED lights. So I'm looking forward to see what this is going to look like on the motorcycle. Alright guys, I'm going to give you a close-up of this taillight just in case you're looking to purchase one. As you can see, it's well made, it's fully enclosed from the elements. There's no concerns, or at least I don't have any concerns that this is going to go bad anytime soon, you know, maybe due to water damage or something like that. Fully enclosed on all sides. So I think it's pretty good quality for what it is. You can see I have this hooked up right now temporarily. Can you see the difference? That's way brighter than this stock one, like the halogen bulbs, because these are all LEDs. It's smoked, way better design. So I'm really liking this. So this is just a temporary install just to make sure it's working before I go all nuts on this. But obviously, since this is a universal item, I needed to do some splicing into this. So obviously, as you can see, this is the stock connector over here, and I needed to splice it in over here. And this is obviously completely sealed up now. It's weatherproof. There's no concerns of it, you know, getting messed up. I'm gonna heat shrink wrap it one more time to completely seal it off. And it's going to be a well secured unit. Right now it's currently 12:33 midnight. Well, let's get this done. So as you can see, the left side is fully installed. It looks much cleaner. The smoked look is just perfect compared to the stock look over there. I'm going to turn this on and you're going to see what it looks like. Look at that, boys. Look at that. It looks amazing, guys. I love the way it looks compared to that. Down in the comments and tell me what you think about it. Do you like this better or do you like this better? I think this is the way to go. Much cleaner look, slimmer design, smoked, and it's LED. Super happy with this purchase. Zero complaints whatsoever. And for the price, insane deal. I'm gonna tell you what the price is at the end of the video, so stay tuned and make sure you watch that. Drop a like, comment, and make sure you smash that subscribe button, guys. Alright guys, so as you can see, the left side is fully installed, so I'm just going to get right into it and show you how to get the right side done. It's exactly the same thing for both sides. So the gray one is for the left side and the black is for the right side. So like I said, you just need to depress this tab over here and then this pops out, and then you need to just feed this cable out through the bottom like that. And over on the bottom, just need to get down in there and completely feed this cable out. And that is it. It's fully out. Alright, so in order to remove that tail light, there's a little tab you just need to pry open. Like that. And then that metal piece pops out. That's the metal piece right there. You pry it on the side and then it pops out. And then you can just wiggle this out. It's just held in by rubber bushings. I'm going to show you what I mean. So just like that, and it's out. That slot is empty now, as you can see, and that's where the other tail lights is gonna go. Alright guys, as always, I'm gonna have a list in the description of every single tool I use to make this happen, so you can do it if you want to do it yourself. So this is the stock tail light that I just removed over there, like she showed me do. And in order to make this work, because this is a universal tail light, we need to cut this off and splice it into that one. So I'm gonna do it. A pair of wire cutters, pliers, whatever you have can work. Cut it far enough so if you want to go back to stock for some reason, you have enough wire to reconnect this and make it happen. So don't cut it too far, like too close, and then you can't use it. So cut it far enough so you have slack, so you can choose to, if you choose to reuse this in the future, you can always do that. All right, and same thing goes for the brand new one too. So I'm gonna cut it right over here. Just like that, and you keep this, so if you want to use it in the future, like I said, you can always use it again. So now I'm going to splice these two in together and connect it. Alright, so what you just seen me do is just open this wire enough so I can cut it and join these two together in here. Good idea, before you get too carried away, just plug it in and make sure it's working right, and then you can move on with your work. So I'm going to plug it in now and just make sure it works right. And that's exactly what we're looking for. As you can see, both lights are working the way they should. That's your green light to go ahead and make this a permanent fix. So I'm going to undo this. I'm going to put some heat shrink wrap around it and completely seal it up so it's protected from the weather. And as you can see, this is the new tail light. I have it loosely wired. This is called heat shrink wrap, pardon me. I'm going to take some heat to this. It shrinks and completely encloses this cable or this wire, and it's completely protected from the elements. And just like that, as you can see, it's completely sealed and closed on both sides, and this is 100% protected from the elements. There's gonna be nothing that can get through this, no liquid, nothing. Just like before this was installed, I have this piece ready to go. Everything is fully connected, like I said, and it's protected from the elements. So I'm gonna put this back in here and feed the wire up through the hole, just like that. Okay, now that I've fed the wire up through the hole, I'm gonna go ahead and secure it permanently. Alright guys, so to install this for every bike, it's gonna be different, but this is how I was able to make it work on my bike. I showed you how to disconnect and reconnect this. I showed you how I soldered the wire together with the heat shrink, how this comes on and how the aftermarket goes on. It's very straightforward, nothing hard about this. I'm gonna crank it on now and you're gonna see what it looks like. Look at that, it's very bright. Way better quality than the stock one. I am 100% happy with this. Is this a buy? It's a definite buy. And for you guys who want to know, this only cost me $8 Canadian. It's an insane deal. I'm going to put a picture up here. You're going to see exactly how much I paid for it. I got it from the Amazon warehouse deal. Regular price about $30, $25, $30 for this, and I paid like $7, $8 for it. It's a deal. I'll give it a 9 out of 10 in my opinion. The quality is perfect. LEDs, super bright, zero complaint whatsoever. If you do like this video, drop me a like, smash that subscribe button, drop a comment, tell me what you think about it. If you're gonna get it, I'm gonna drop a link in the description. I'm not sponsored by these people. I purchased this with my money, and I'm very happy that I did. Zero complaints. On that note, peace and have a good one.